Hey friends, welcome to Smart Money Experts. On this channel you will get the hottest tips and alerts to invest in the direction of the smart money institutions and influencers. If this sounds good to you, please hit that like and subscribe button, with bell notification turn on to all, so you don't miss out on the hottest investing tips and alerts. But before we begin, please know I am not a financial advisor. This channel is about giving you the best investing tips for you to do your own research, and the channel's material is only for education and entertainment purposes only. Alright, let's get this money. Here we go. These are the top 3 picks from the top influencers with over or close to 100,000 subscribers on their channel. If you want the full video to these investment picks, the links to their channel will be in the descriptions. Let's get this money. The first investment picks is from Altcoin Daily, with 593,000 subscribers on their channel.
Alright, welcome back everybody to Altcoin Daily, where you subscribe for daily videos on everything going on in the cryptocurrency space. Let's start with some recent news. I want to talk about Bitcoin, then we'll talk about Ethereum, and then we'll talk about both Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm extremely bullish on both Bitcoin and Ethereum for different reasons. Let's start with Bitcoin. Long-term investors continue to hodl despite Bitcoin's $1 trillion market cap. Before I share with you the rest of the data on this, you need to hear what Michael Saylor has to say on a recent fireside chat. Although Bitcoin's at $1 trillion market cap today, in his opinion, over the next probably 10 years, Bitcoin is going to 100x.
We've only got 2 or 3 minutes left, so just very, very briefly, just answering these questions. You think it's going to be $100 trillion market?
I do. I think it's a no-brainer. It flips gold because that's 10 trillion, and so it's 1 trillion now. So it'll run there pretty fast, and then I think it'll kind of start to grow progressively, not at 200% a year, but 100%, and then 50%, and then 30%, and then 20%. And ultimately, the elephant in the room here is there's $100 trillion of treasury assets that are like negative yielding debt or low yielding debt. That $100 trillion of assets and indexes, that all has a negative real yield. And so it doesn't work for insurance companies and for long-term investors and for corporations. They're going to need to find something that's got long duration with a positive yield in every monetary environment. And Bitcoin is the perfect engineered treasury asset. If you were coming out of central casting saying, design me an asset that an insurance company can hold to fund insurance policies for 30 years. Or design me an asset for Apple Computer to hold instead of cash. I mean, Bitcoin is the ideal asset, and there's nothing else that's close.
Bitcoin is the ideal asset and nothing else comes close. We're talking about asymmetrical upside returns, where nothing can really stop the Bitcoin network. It's pretty much impossible to stop the Bitcoin network. And if you know that, you start to realize, because the world is turning digital, because the world is becoming more centralized, if you want something that gives us a way to opt out, the answer is Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, according to Michael Saylor, although it has a $1 trillion market cap today, although it is $50,000 today, it can 100x from here. 50,000 times 100 is 5 million. So could you wait 10 years for a price of 5 million per Bitcoin?
Thank you Altcoin Daily for our first investment picks on our list. Let's now go on to the second investment picks. Next, here we have the largest influencer channel, BitBoy Crypto, and they have 687,000 subscribers on their channel. Again, the link to the channel will be in the descriptions. Now let's get this crypto.
Over the weekend, Eternity Chain crushed it, and I expect this to continue for a long time. It's an up-and-coming coin. This one is just getting started. But we received many comments this weekend about how to buy it. Seems like with this mad rush of people into crypto recently, there's been a steep learning curve for people trying to learn how to buy coins. Today, I'm going to show you how to use a decentralized exchange in order to buy altcoins that aren't on Coinbase or Binance.us. I'm going to be showing you guys how to figure out where to buy altcoins and how to use a decentralized exchange in order to make the trades. So let's go ahead and jump into the tutorial. Okay, so it's came to my attention that a lot of people that are watching the channel are newer. You don't necessarily understand how to use Uniswap or BitSwap. You don't know how to find tokens, where you buy them, and things like that. So we're gonna do a quick tutorial on this. So the first thing you gotta do is you gotta figure out where to buy the token you're looking at. So in this example, we're going to use Eternity Chain because a lot of people asked me over the weekend, along with how to buy Ecomi. So we're going to talk about that too. So let's start here by going to CoinGecko.com. Now on CoinGecko, all you got to do is click up here and you can see the top projects that are being searched right now. You guys can see Eternity Chain is right here, Ecomi is here. But if they were not on this list, you would just search it. So let's search for Eternity Chain. So it comes right up. Make sure you're looking at the right token, ERN. So you click here, and it will take you to this page right here. This is the token page. It shows you everything you need to know about the coin you're looking at right now. The price is coming in at $42.46. I think it topped out at about $46, $49. Wow, almost hit 50 bucks. You guys can see 50 bucks, being some resistance there. But what you can do at this point is come down here and click this tab, Markets. This is going to show you every place that it is available at. So you have Uniswap is the #1 place to get it. You have Gate.io and Bilaxy. I've actually never used Gate.io or Bilaxy. If it's on a decentralized exchange and the gas fees are not super high at that moment, I usually use that because it's just easier. You don't have to create an account. It all happens seamlessly. So this is how you find out where to buy it. Now, you're going to need what's called the contract address. And we're going to talk about what MetaMask is, how to add it to MetaMask, how to search your token to actually make the trade. But I also want to show you guys something because a lot of you guys are asking me about Ecomi. So let's go over here to Ecomi. And you guys can see that when you go here and you go down to markets, you guys can see that it is on Bitforex and BitMax, 2 centralized exchanges. It's actually not on it's not on Uniswap right now. It's actually not an Ethereum token. You can tell that because there's no contract address here. And for the explorers, this one is on GoChain. So you guys can see that right there. But let's go ahead and move on. I'm going to show you guys how to buy Eternity Chain and how to use this. So let's go back to the Eternity Chain page here on CoinGecko. So here it is, Eternity Chain. You're going to need to install MetaMask. If you look up here at the top right-hand side of my screen, you see the fox. This is the MetaMask logo. So I've already installed MetaMask onto my browser. So for you to do that, just Google MetaMask extension, and then you're going to be able to see right here. Make sure that you're using, the legit website, MetaMask.io. Sometimes, Google ads can have scams in them. So if you see one at the top that says ad, stay away. So right here, if you click on MetaMask.io, it's going to take you to the MetaMask website. It's going to show you how to download it. It's going to give you some description on what it is, how to use it, and things like that. So if you just click download, it's going to take you to the MetaMask download page. You just click install MetaMask for Chrome. It's going to take you to the Chrome Web Store, and you're going to install it. Now, you can install this on Chrome or on Firefox. I think they have it for Safari, but I've never used it for Safari. So once you have this downloaded, you're going to enable it on your download list over here. You're just going to come down here, click on settings. So once you're on the settings page, you can come down here to extensions and click this. And it's going to show you all the different extensions. And of course, you can, check out the details or enable it. You would just turn it on right here. And then, of course, you can add it to your top bar up here so it's available at all times. So that's how you install MetaMask. So let's show you how to use it. Here we're on uniswap.org, and you can click Use Uniswap. And it's going to take you to the actual app where you make trades. I don't use Uniswap. I use bitswapdex.io. This is my personal decentralized exchange aggregator. This crawls Uniswap along with a ton of other decentralized exchanges to give you the best price. So I'm going to actually be showing you how to do this with bitswapdex.io, but it does work with MetaMask as well. Okay, so now I can connect my wallet. I'm on bitswapdex.io. Click Connect Wallet, hit MetaMask. It's going to take you to this page where you're going to connect your account. So I made a demo account specifically for this purpose. So I'm going to connect this one and hit next and hit connect. And boom, here it is. You guys can see I'm automatically connected. I have 0.2 ETH in this wallet. Now you're going to come back over here to Eternity Chain and you're going to click copy. So now you've copied the contract address for Eternity. So I'm going to come back over here to BitSwap. I'm going to search for this token. I'm going to type that in there. And then it's going to give you the option to add it. So click there, and now it is going to be added to your list. Now you got to figure out how much you want to buy. So we're going to buy 1 ETH's worth. So we're going to hit 0.1, and then it's going to automatically update with how much we're going to be able to buy. Then you're going to hit swap and hit confirm swap. Now we're going to have to confirm it in our wallet. So it shows you what the gas fee is. The gas fee is $129. So you probably are going to want to be swapping more than just a couple $100 worth, or else this isn't going to be worth it. We're going to hit confirm. And now the transaction is going to be submitted. It's going to show up here in pending, and it's going to come through here in just a little bit and confirm. So you guys can see it has now gone through. You guys see up here where it says swap 0.1 ETH for 4.11 ERN. You click here to check out the Token Explorer, the Ethereum Explorer, to see what it looks like. And that's it. Then you go over here to your wallet, and you need to add the asset here to the account. So you'll hit add token, hit custom token, put in the address. It's going to automatically pop up the token symbol and the number of decimals at 18. You're going to hit next, hit add tokens, and now you guys can see it shows up in my wallet, 4.11 ERN. Shows how much it's worth, and this shows your Ethereum balance up here. That's how you use MetaMask. If you ever wanted to send this out, you could click there and you could hit send. You can send it to another wallet or wherever you want to be. If you have multiple accounts, you can transfer that between your account, and that's how you do it. It's that easy to use Uniswap or BitswapDex.io and MetaMask to make purchases on decentralized exchanges.
Thank you, BitBoy, for our second investment picks on our list. Let's now go on to the final investment picks of the day. Finally, here we have another top influencer, Lark Davis, and he has 245,000 subscribers on his channel. Again, the link to his channel will be in the descriptions. Now let's get this crypto.
Today I want to discuss 5 hot new coins that are coming to the market very, very soon. Early stage coin investments have been giving incredible gains to investors. So this is one area that you should not be ignoring. Even if you miss out on the launchpad sales, you can actually still make some really good returns by grabbing these coins early on. Literally, if you know how to use Uniswap and you can buy these coins on Uniswap, then you'll end up beating like 99% of investors who are stuck on Coinbase and Binance and aren't using decentralized exchanges. In this video, I will share the coins that I think that you should have on your radar right now. Okay, now let's get into this topic. First, of course, I have to say no one has sponsored this video, just free information for you to enjoy. I am also an investor in the coins that I am discussing today. Many of these coins are also not listed yet, but they will be soon. So before you ask where to buy them, just understand that. The best place to get early access to these coins is, of course, during the token sale. The second best place is on Uniswap. You need to find out what the best option is going to be for you and what's actually available to you. With that being said, the first coin on the list is EOS. Now this is a layer 1 blockchain based content delivery network which is working on delivering streaming decentralized video services. Now there is already an EOS Tube application where you can actually go watch videos, earn coins, serving basically as a showcase for the technology. Now this is not a dApp running on Ethereum, it will be its own blockchain. EOS currently has a working blockchain, which is impressive for an early stage sale. They have 2,000 plus nodes, which again, very impressive, as well as a working wallet. Now EOS, the company, they've been self-funding for around 3 years, building out this product. They currently have around 30 developers working to bring the vision to life, essentially. They've also won many different hackathons. They have peer-reviewed technical papers, so not your average new project launch. They've got a lot of really interesting stuff going on here. And the use case is a very interesting one. Streaming remains very expensive for major platforms due to the centralized nature of the content delivery systems, which are centralized and fragmented. The cost savings for these platforms potentially massive, many magnitudes cheaper than what they're doing right now. There are already businesses lined up to use the product, but the names are still not yet announced. The market cap for AOs will start under $1 million, which is incredible. The market cap for the most similar competitor, Theta Network, it's around $10 billion. So that's a lot of gains potential. If AOs manages to get even just a fraction of that market cap, incredible gains potential. This will be going on Paid Networks Ignition Launchpad and the Binance Smart Chain Launchpad, so definitely keep an eye on this one when it does come out soon.
Thank you, Lark Davis, for our final investment picks of the day, and thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more hot investment picks and alerts. See you on the next video.